Just a short video today to show you how to do calibration using OpenTrack. Once you have OpenTrack open, go ahead and click Start. You can go ahead and see the octopus there. This red cross represents a previous calibration that I already set. We're going to reset that back to 0 and then actually do the calibration check itself. So once you have that open, go ahead and down to where you have your tracker. Click in this box. The point tracker settings window opens. Click on the model tab. If you go to the bottom, you see model position. These are the numbers that the input for the previous calibration. There's also a link here to written instructions on the OpenTrack wiki if you want to read those over. The key to this is when you press the toggle calibration and you conduct the calibration, once you're done, you must click toggle calibration button the second time to set the numbers. Now when I first set this, you're going to see that the numbers are all reset to 0 and this red cross will move over to the middle LED of my clip. So we'll go ahead and click toggle calibration. You notice since it's uncalibrated now at this point, the octopus has moved out of the way. So we'll go ahead and center it and bring it back in. You can notice the red cross is now on the center LED and all the numbers in the model position have been reset to 0. When you conduct a calibration, you just want to use pitch and yaw for the most part. It seems to be the easiest solution to conducting the actual calibration. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pitch up. Once you're at the top, go ahead and yaw left. Okay, come back to the center, yaw right, back to the center, come back down to your center view, go ahead and yaw left again, back to the center, yaw right, back to the center. Then you want to go ahead and pitch down to the bottom. You want to yaw left, you want to yaw right, and then return to your center view. At that point you can click the toggle calibration button. You may have to recenter your tracker to get the octopus back in the middle, but you can see that the red cross now is an approximation to the center of my head, and you can see what the actual model position numbers here at that point. Again, there's further instructions at the wiki. You can access the wiki by clicking on this link here in the box. I hope this helps, and thank you for your time.